Hi, my name is Bob Taylor. I'm 58 years old and worked as an accountant for a small company. I'm married to my beautiful wife, Grace, and we have two grown-up sons, Mike and Peter. For more than 5 years, I searched for the best way to support my blood sugar. And now, finally, I found the answer. Stay with me for the next few minutes of this short presentation because I'm going to reveal some simple things you can do each day to support your blood sugar. 1. Be mindful of your food choices. A key part of support your blood sugar is eating healthy foods every day. You want to know which foods to increase and which foods to limit. This type of diet can seem ominous and confusing. There are many messages that can confuse people. Don't eat sugar. Count your carbohydrates. Watch out for high glycemic index foods. Eat good fat. Limit bad fat. And eat more fiber. When discussing the effects of carbohydrates, protein and fat on blood sugar, portion control will help support healthy blood glucose. 100% of the carbohydrates you eat turn into sugar within a few hours of eating. Carbohydrates are any starch, fruit, milk, yogurt, or sweet that you eat. Fortunately, you don't have to avoid these foods, but be aware of your portions. Some carbs, such as candy, cookies, ice cream, sodas, and juices, turn into sugar faster, so you want to be extra careful with those. 2. Exercise. Exercise can support healthy blood sugar, blood pressure, and circulation. It is recommended that you exercise at least 150 minutes per week to promote and maintain a healthy weight. This is roughly 40 minutes 4 times per week. And hey, you can even break it up into smaller bits. If you only have time for 15 minutes in the morning and 15 at lunchtime, just do it. The most important part is to get up and get moving. One precaution to take is to check your blood sugar before you exercise. If it is less than 100 milligrams DL, then eat a snack containing carbohydrates like crackers or fruit prior to exercise. If you need to snack during exercise, try snacking on some protein. Once you become consistent with your exercise, you'll feel better and more energized. 3. Reduce stress. If something has you bothered, try to make changes that can help you relax. You might exercise, spend time with friends, meditate, or replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Mental dialogue and the pictures in our minds are incredibly important, so do whatever you need to feel centered, calm, and happy again. 4. Quit smoking. Kick the habit. It'll give you better control of your blood sugar levels. As simple as it sounds, this is essential. 5. Cut back on alcohol. Drinking alcohol can drop blood sugar to dangerous levels for up to 24 hours after you finish your last drink. When you drink, the liver has to work to remove the alcohol from the blood instead of regulating blood sugar. 6. Take notes. Yes, this is something many people unfortunately don't do as a habit. Keeping a detailed daily log can help you track what affects glucose levels. That log can include insulin and other medications, foods, especially carbs. This will help you lose weight. Physical activity, sleep, stress, and illness. After a week or so, see if you notice any patterns. Now, I have to confess that my lifetime vision is that of a world where everybody can easily and affordably support their healthy blood sugar. And after many trials, I've perfected a simple yet powerful formula consisting of amazing plants such as yarrow flowers, bitter melon, juniper berries, banana leaf, licorice, white mulberry, and many others. I couldn't keep this all to myself, so, together with the help of some friends who own a small supplement company, I've decided to produce it and make it available for everybody. And that was the birth of Glucofort. Given all these powerful ingredients, I initially wanted to set the value for a bottle of Glucofort at $99 a bottle. And if you care about your health, I'm sure you can understand why. I pulled out all the stops to use 100% powerful, natural ingredients. Some of them are quite rare and hard to obtain. Given the astonishing potency of this blood sugar support formula, $99 a bottle should seem like a total steal. But like I mentioned already, all we want is to help you and people like you get better. That's what my story and mission meant right from the start, which is why there's no chance I could consider charging you $99 for this. And because you're watching this presentation, if you act today through this website and make the life-changing decision of investing in this extraordinary natural weapon, you can have it for yourself for just $69 a bottle. But wait, I'm going to make the deal even sweeter. I've set up a discounted package system of 6 bottles of Glucofort for you for only $49 a bottle for a total of $294, which is being offered today for as long as supplies last. You also get free shipping on us. So go ahead, click below to secure your order right now. Why not profit from this window of opportunity today? Consider this the smallest but the most powerful investment that you have ever made in yourself. By now, you're probably asking, how can I get this amazing supplement? Just click the button below after choosing the best package for you, and you'll end up on our secure checkout page. Enter your payment details, place the order, and in just 7 days from this moment, you'll get Glucofort right at your front door. Click now to secure your package while supplies last. You have absolutely nothing to risk, because you are also covered by our 60 days, 100% money-back guarantee. It works like this. You just click the Buy Now button that's below right now. Experience the incredible results that thousands of other people just like you have already experienced. And if you're not happy with your decision to invest for any reason whatsoever, all you have to do is send us an email, and I will immediately refund your entire purchase with 0 questions asked. I'm taking all the risk here, which means you've got absolutely nothing to lose. Go ahead and click on one of the Buy Now buttons you see below this presentation right now. Try Glucofort for yourself, completely risk-free. The choice is yours, but you already know what you need to do. Click on one of the Buy Now buttons right now. Take your free test run and completely change your life. I think you're ready to get started now.